before I get started.
Yes! Si Aldrin nandito na! So guys, we will change these pesos to rupiah. So yung rupiah ngayon ay 0.00280. Aldrin.
Hindi kami marunong kung mataas yun or pero
But I believe
it's just the same.
it's just the same. It's just money. Everybody, we're here in our tour Kluk to tour around Ubud, and here's the airman. Later I'm gonna show you his face. Can you say something? How's the flight, Aldrin?
I didn't sleep, so I'm very tired, but I'm excited to be here.
I think I only had 4 hours of sleep. The time problem. He's not sure, but I had 4 hours. And it's already 9:40 a.m. And we're going to, where's our first one? Handara Gate. It will be 2 hours to about drive from where we came from airport.
From the airport.
Later. Bye. We are here finally after like 2 hours drive from airport. Andito na kami sa Aldrin Handara Temple. Wait, papakita ko siya sa inyo. I don't think nagigitna pa kami doon. Yan siya. Actually, okay na ako dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang daming tao dito. Tapos meron akong crush na couple. Ang ganda at gwapo nila, guys. Yun na yun, naka-yellow na si ate girl. Ang gwapo rin ng boyfriend niya. Ayun o. Do you agree?
Hindi ko type.
Ako type ka sila both.
Pwede doon?
Yeah, I think you can go there.
Mas maganda doon.
Saan tayo daan?
Dito. Papangkapay.
I'm gonna enter the other side. So this is like a whole park. Dito kami sa Baguio. Charot. B is not for Bali, but B is for Baguio. Alam niyo, sobrang presko ko dito sa Ulundaan. I'm so happy. Hi guys, ito na yung order namin. I have my hot choki and yung burger niya. And ako yung hotdog ko, ang dami. 100 pesos siya. 20k rupiah. Wala ka dyan.
Super worth it.
Worth it siya. Punta na kayo ng body. Ayun lang. Itual sa amin. Guys, ang mahal ng CR nila guys, 2,000. Wala akong budget. Hi everybody, this is our next stop. We are in Sangye Monkey Forest. So pinili namin to kasi sa Ubud Monkey Forest kasi medyo konti yung tao dito. Tapos binigyan nila kami ng, can you show them, peanuts for monkey. Yay! Ito siya, pakita ko sa inyo yung place. everybody, nakita niyo yung kanina? Ganun kami ka-close ng mga monkey.
That was crazy.
Yeah, ang laki nung sa kanya, grabe. Hi sir, say hi to my vlog. Hi. So siya yung tumulong sa amin para picture kami ng maayos. Monkey! Monkey! Hi guys! Nagpa-picture kami. And this is mine! From Bali.
Sobrang Latina na.
Hi everybody! This is our lunch na in Tebasari. Tapos sila, nag-hi sila sa akin kanina kasi ngayon lang daw sila nakamit ng Pinay. And same din naman sa akin. Ngayon pa lang tayo nakakita ng Pinay, di ba? So far, medyo less. Kaya, you know, how friendly Filipinos are. We greeted each other. Tapos tingnan nyo, marami dito, may lake din dito. So, oh cute! And look at the place. But here, we're only allowed to eat for 1 hour. Tapos, tinry namin yung roasted duck nila kasi yun yung bestseller. And this is Aldrin. Hi!
So excited to eat na.
Yeah, me then. Parang against the light. Dito yung maganda. Yay!
Hola.
Hola!
Later
Later na lang.
nga ulit.
Oh my god, I forgot. I'm very forgetful, but I think it's Oms Swasti Astu.
Facts to value.
Hi guys, this is our food. Itadakimasu! Kain. From the Philippines. We'll be asked you go to inside. Okay, alright. So guys, we will go now to the Free Taste Coffee Shop here in Indonesia. I'm doing a vlog now.
I will explain first, start from here, yeah?
Mhm.
Welcome to our place. I would like to explain about the plantation here. Start from here. In here, we have a cinnamon tree.
Cinnamon tree.
Yeah, we're making cinnamon stick from the skin of the tree from the bark, yeah? From this way, please.
Okay.
You will look like a queen.
Oh really?
Yeah, same face.
Wow.
Same smile.
Oh.
And this one tree, this is the vanilla tree, yeah? For the vanilla tree, later they coming like the flower first. After they coming for the flower, we do pollination by the flower. If they success the pollination, we have the pot. If they success the pollination, we don't have the pot. But that vanilla expensive, yeah? And for the season coming until 1 year of the December. And also we have two type of coffee tree, Arabica and Robusta coffee tree. And from this one, this is Arabica coffee tree, yeah? For the Arabica coffee tree, they have a smaller for the leaf and bigger for the bean. And over there, we have for the Robusta
vanilla.
coffee tree. For the Robusta coffee tree, they have a height for the tree, bigger for the leaf and smaller for the bean, yeah?
Yeah.
And for the taste, Robusta strong is bitter the taste, Arabica smooth one, but little bit sour the taste, yeah?
Mm.
This one, we grow the curcuma. For the curcuma, smell like turmeric. We use from the root and we're making for the tea. Good for immune system and digestion. In this one, we grow the ginseng. And for the ginseng, we use from the root and we're making for the coffee. This one, good for energy and memory.
Ah, nice. I think I will be needing that.
That's good for honeymoon coffee also. And this one tree, this is the cacao tree, yeah?
Yeah.
And you can see for the green fruit, we can wait until the yellow color. And after the yellow color, we open for the fruit and we get only the bean. And from the bean, we're processing for making chocolate bar and chocolate powder.
Yeah, cocoa.
Yeah. In here, inside the box, we have our black bees, the little bee, yeah? We produce honey inside for the taste, sweet and sour. They don't
Oh,
stick.
no.
This one like a honey for medicine.
Ah, I see. Wow. There's a lot of information here about coffee.
Yeah. They call luwak, yeah? In here, we have a special animal. We call it luwak in Bali or mungus in English, yeah? This animal, around the for the nice, live all day. When they for the nice, they eat the red one for the fruit of the coffee and they just swallow the bean and they have a fermented in the stomach. And they pull out and we're processing for making the coffee. For the luwak coffee, more benefit, yeah? Good for your healthy, less caffeine and high protein.
Ah, let's go for high protein.
Yeah, and over there, we have a processing for making the coffee.
Is that their poop?
Yeah, this is more of them from the animal. You can come in. So in here we have an example from the poo animal. Inside the glass, we fall clean and this after we clean it. They also have a 2 layer. This one for the first layer, we wash with hot water until 5 hours. You fill the skin one by one. Yeah, this we roast like 1 hour. For the last, we dry and we roasting for making the coffee. That doesn't contact with the poo, yeah? Okay. This is the regular coffee from the tree, from the bean, Arabica and Robusta mixed together, yeah? This one after we wash and we dry. In here we have some spices. We have galangal, ginger, turmeric, white pepper, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, star anise. This is lemongrass, yeah? Now over there, we already close for the roasted coffee. Butter for 1 kilo, 1 hour roasting until like this color. This is after the roasting, you can smell it. And for the second process, we put that and we ground it.
Ah.
And this for the last, we do something to become the powder. Yeah, you can smell it. This is after the pounding. That's for the rest, we just put back and we crush it again for the Okay, let's go into the table and having tasting.
Yes. Coffee tasting. La, 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 la. Oh, there's a lot of people here.
You can have a sip here. I will take the tasting from here. I just
Thank you.
start from the tea. This one, Rosella tea, good for blood circulation. Ginger tea, good for stomach trouble. Red rice tea, good for bone and calcium. Lemongrass tea, good for influenza. Mangosteen tea, good for anti-cancer and control cholesterol. Saffron tea, good for immune system. Hot chocolate, good for everything and happiness. Avocado coffee, good for antioxidant. Bali coffee without sugar, good for headache. Yeah. Vanilla coffee, good for relaxation. Mochaccino coffee mixed with chocolate. Coconut coffee, good for skin and hair treatment. And the last, ginseng coffee, good for stamina and energy.
Okay, we will be trying it.
Yeah, start from here. The finish from this for the tea, and then
The rest coffee.
yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys. These are the teas, and these are the coffees. I'll be starting to review it all. Okay. That's it. Rosella.
Sarap.
Really?
So yummy.
Love it.
Sarap.
Rosella.
But be careful if you try the ginger, little bit spicy. But we are used from red ginger. A little bit shape first.
Love it. We're just taking one tea because we love it. Okay, the next one would be,
Ginger.
this is ginger tea.
I want a ginger.
It's just, yeah, spicy, but I think not spicy, it just has spice. I love it. The next one
This is only the roasted rice.
rice tea. I think we're very, very familiar with this one. Ah, give it, yeah. I'm so curious about the...
Ako din.
No, I'm just curious about
yung
the
isa?
cook. Yeah.
Ikaw. Sige na.
We're gonna buy the cook one.
No, later in the store. I will help you until you finish.
Okay.
I will take care of you until you're done.
This one is lemongrass.
Yeah, this is good for influenza and good for slim body.
Very tanglad. Okay, we have a term for this in the Philippines. It's tanglad. It's good. Less ginger type. I love this. Rosella.
Mm.
Diba? And then this one, the deep one.
Yeah, you can.
The deep, hot cocoa. I think it's my favorite.
This is like a dark cocoa. We just
Yeah.
put only a little bit of the sugar.
I love cocoa. I'm gonna take this one. Hot cocoa. This one is
Saffron mixed with turmeric.
saffron. Oh my god, my crush is saffron. What is this?
Saffron mixed with turmeric.
Saffron.
Turmeric.
You want the spice?
This is like a more herbal tea.
I think that you will love this. It's just the same as Rosella. The saffron one.
Mas gusto ko.
Number 1, number 2. But this is not the top 0. And this one is
Mangosteen tea.
mangosteen. This helps me.
All of this testing from the tea have a honey and for the coffee have coconut sugar. Come from the small bit.
It's like jelly eggs.
Yeah.
Mangosteen.
Like a fruit tea. But we are used from the skin of the fruit of the tree.
Okay, top 1, top 2. It keeps on changing once we
Yeah.
taste another one. So the next one would be avocado coffee. Sorry, avocado coffee. Actually, it smells
The some
different.
taste of the avocado, but we are used the young avocado pit, not the ripe one. You just try taste only a little bit of the avocado taste.
Masarap.
Sobrang sarap ng coffee. I'm not actually fond of drinking coffee, but I think I'm gonna change my mind. It's good. This is my first time tasting avocado coffee. And this one is
The Bali coffee. That's the black coffee.
the authentic one. The classic. Bali coffee. Doesn't have sugar, but yeah, I can taste the classic black coffee. He loves this. And then this would be
That's ginseng coffee. You can finish the ginseng. That's good for
for stamina. Yeah, I know that. So this is the ginseng coffee. You can finish this.
good for honey coffee.
It's like a 3-in-1 coffee. Turmeric, organic for your, And this one is the coconut coffee. I love it. It's like palamig na mainit. Swear. coconut coffee.
Ay, oo nga.
Di ba? Parang siyang palamig na mainit.
Nalasa-lasa yung coconut.
Sorry, we're speaking in Tagalog. The next one would be
Cappuccino.
mochaccino. Mochaccino. That's my favorite.
Kasi may chocolate.
No, it's different. Tingnan mo. Kasi mo. Diba? Yan. And the last one would be
Vanilla.
But I think I'm gonna go with. Can I finish this?
You can
Guys, I have my favorite, mochaccino. And for the team, both mangosteen and the rosella. Both are good. And then the hot one. So yung in-order namin is the 55,000 coffee. So basically, this is luwak. This is from luwak scoop. So yung kaninang in-explain niya dun sa ano, yung tinatanggal yung layer ng poop niya. So titikman natin kung gaano kasarap yung Eva. Sarap na. Hot cocoa. So no wonder kung magkakaroon ako ng bali belly dahil yun dito sa tea and coffee. Kasi guys, sobrang talagang sarap. Sobrang sarap nilang lahat. My
Hindi man lahat. Ang
Hindi.
sarap yung ginger.
Ako okay lang yung ginger. Lalo na kapag namamalat na yung ano mo. Pag napapaos ka na, I recommend it.
Yun yung manghang, di ba?
Yeah, pero hindi naman siya ganun kaanghang. Siguro iba kami ng taste.
Kasabat ko rin to. Very subtle lang yung taste ng rice.
Yung rice tea nila, kung ano yung, kung ano yung nagpakulo kayo ng kanin. Sa totoong na kanin, that's just basically it. And then while this one, like the hot cocoa. Hot cocoa siya, pero nilagyan kasi nila ng sugar para hindi pure. Pero it's just the same naman.
So smooth. Dapat naman ganito din, pero for alak naman. Just saying.
Kasi,
Parang masaya yun.
tapos parang ano, hindi ka pa tumatagal asing ka.
Yung business idea.
Antayin natin si ano, si Miss. So we need to wait for 1 minute before we drink this as per her advice. And then if tingin daw namin na medyo matabang pa, we need to add coconut sugar. Tada! Paano niyo ba makikita to? Wait lang. I'm gonna pause again. This is the luwak coffee. Ayan siya.
Masarap yung saffron.
Tinutunggal lahat ni Aldrin yung mga ano, mga tea and coffee kasi sayang. This is actually free. Ito lang yung may bayad. This is 55,000 rupiah. Very cheap lang naman sa peso. So at least when you come here, it's really the friends one. Hello? Pick it na.
Don't store, yeah?
Nonsense.
Nalataan mo ba?
It's too pure.
You can feel a little bit powder.
Yeah, yeah.
Can I stir one time? I will stir first.
I think I need sugar.
You need sugar.
Tikman ko muna.
I think you need the taste. It's just like a regular coffee with the powder
Yeah, we
and
use for the filter in the coffee, but with different taste.
yeah, and a different
Okay.
texture also.
Tikman ko muna.
This is more bitter. This is more.
Yeah. It's just different. It's just the same. The verdict, right? Powdery.
Sarap.
And then yeah. So we will add now the coconut sugar. How many?
If you like this.
Finally tasting luwak scoop. La 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 la.
Hindi ko
Less,
tamis.
saka less yung powder niya, diba? Nagtundag siya sa baba.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
It
coming.
has different texture now. Earlier it's brown, now it's color black.
Yeah.
Maybe because we stir it already. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Miss, can you say hello to the vlog?
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Riani.
Riani. Thank you, Miss Riani. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye. So good.
So good. Hi guys, this is our room ni Aldrin. May kulambo. Hindi na mag-worry yung tatay ko, nalalamukin ako kasi may kulambo. Joke lang. And ano ba, ikutin pa natin. Gusto meron silang ganyan. And then meron din silang button here. Super lawak ng kanilang restroom. Tapos malawak yung labas.
Thank you.
And that's for day 1! See you again tomorrow. Bye! Hi guys, good morning. It's our day 2 in Bali, and first thing in the morning, I'm gonna do my class here in Ubud. So my class is morning flow, yang to yin. So yoga siya. Binuko siya sa class pass, kaya ganito yung attire ko. Yay! So, see you. Magbubok na ka ng Grab. Later na lang ulit. Bye-bye! Hi guys. I think I'm too early to be here because it's only 7:28. Pero okay lang. It's better early than late. Ayun, please. Can you hear that? There's a doctor. Should go here. So mamaya pa yung class.
And hold the poses about 5 to 8 breaths maybe.
Hi guys, so this is our full breakfast in Bali. This is our second day. We ordered eggs and pastries and pancakes. Ta-da! Guys, this is our lunch here in Waya. Aldrin, say hi.
Hi, Aldrin.
Let's eat.
Hi guys! So, kakagaling lang namin
Hindi ko
sa...
nakita.
Sorry, vlog niya pala to. Sorry guys ha. Sorry.
Okay lang.
So, we're traveling na to our second
Lijan.
hotel in Lijan. So, paalis na kami ng Ubud ngayon. And it's currently raining, pero sana dun sa area na yon ay sunny. Kasi balak namin mag-beach club.
And then the Brisa, La Luna.
Yeah,
Very-
so pray for us. Abangan niyo sa vlog na to mamaya kung maulan.
Gusto ko yung pray for us. Yun lang. Bye.
Bye!
That's Aldrin's fault. Diyos ko, hindi ko nakikita.
Off ko nga, di ba?
This is my outfit. We're going to beach club. Wala lang, maglalakad-lakad lang kami sa labas. So cute. So we are here in Karingking Beach. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, thank you.
ya?
Thank you. Yay! So we have here our lunch. Chicken, noodle, cupcake, tofu. Say hi. Hi, guys. This is Cassie. Cassie's from China. Cassie's from China. We're both tourists here. It's our first time, right? Where's the way? Kuya? This is our
Let's
tour
go.
guide. Kuya, say hi. Hi. Where's Kuya TJ?
Nakunan.
So beautiful here. Come to Bali. Hi everybody. This is our last stop here in Nusa Penida and it's Virgin Beach. Maganda naman siya. Sobrang pretty. And nagkaroon kami ng kumuha kami ng isang cabin. Kaming 5. So consumable siya ng 500k. So ayun lang. Just order food. mag-vlog yung friend ko. Mag-ano na siya. Papahinga. Ako, magka-club. Tignan ko lang. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-vlog mag-isa. Wish mo lang. Bye! Hi everybody, this is our last day here in Bali. So, the next day pala flight na namin. Ngayon, mag-jet ski ako and then we will go to Uluwatu later para manood ng ketchup and then pumunta ng mga beach club. Yun lang. I'll update you. Guys, I'm here already in Minu Beach Club, so we will be spending our afternoon here. Wow. Hello. We reserved our sunbed under my name. Thanks. Yes. Wow, I love the view. Is my friend here already?
Sorry?
The guy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Where? Hi. I'm good. Finally, sis. Oh my god. Hi, everybody. We're here in a beach club sa Minu. Look at this place. So, we're not allowed to swim sa beach kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. So, malakas yung alon. So, dito lang kami sa pool. May barko naman so carry lang. I'm here with the ultimate sis. Sobrang relax niya.
Guys, punta kayo dito.
Medyo expensive siya. Wag na lang. Joke lang. Ganda.
Hi guys! So nandito kami ngayon sa Mino Beach. And it was just a chill and relaxing day. And ito talaga yung hanap ko dito eh. Tingnan nyo naman yung dagat. Tingnan nyo naman itong place na. For me, it's super worth it. And the food was really good. Tapos ngayon, I'm drinking kasi you know what? When in Bali, di ba?
Everyone is setting up, guys. Tapos, kinuha na nila yung ticket. So, later, pakita ko sa inyo yung play.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
This is our last night here in Bali. Aldin, say good night.
Good night, everyone!
May share lang ako. Alam nyo ba na nagti-TikTok na kami? Puro na Balinese or like Indo yung TikTok. Hindi ko maintindihan. Gusto ko pa naman makichika minsan para may mga screenshot sila na nilalabas. Like, tingnan. nainggit pa ako. Ayan lang. Oh my God! Babalik ako sa Bali. Ayoko na magpakita ng face kasi puro na to moisturizer. Babalik ako sa Bali because of their rich culture. So, yeah! Nakapag-travel na ako ulit. Sana may kasunod. Lord. Bye, guys. Sa airport na tayo magkita. For my last clip. Bye. Good night.